Bonneville Salt Flats. Here we come.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm John from Grand Exploration, and you're watching part one of our three-part series, Best Destinations for Beginner Overlanders. In this first video, my wife and I will be exploring the infamous, the legendary Bonneville Salt Flats. We're so excited to have you come along. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and if you stay to the end, you'll get a sneak peek on our second destination, part two. Let's go! It's 5 a.m., day one of the Grand Explorations big trip, and I'm still not awake yet, but just got a few more things to put in the car and we'll be on the road.
Good morning, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the reward program today?
No, thank you. Could I please get a number 5?
And the drink?
Just an orange juice, please.
Wonderful. Anything else?
Yes, and could we do a number 3 with bacon, please?
Wonderful. Your order comes to 1631, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Remember when McDonald's was like affordable? But not anymore. Where's my whole paycheck? I was taking a picture for a second.
No video.
I was posing with bacon hanging out of my mouth. Well, it's pretty clear that summer decided to end the day we leave on our overlanding trip, but that's how it goes, right? So we are leaving Seattle, first stop, Wendover, Utah, push straight to Utah, limited stops. It looks like we got about 700 miles just straight through, getting in about 8 o'clock tonight, and then we are doing the Bonneville Salt Flats. Follow along.
It's the first snow of the season, and it's straight up blizzard conditions. It's pretty wild up here.
All right, we're in Southern Oregon, almost in Idaho, and it is a freaking blizzard. It's so cold right now. I really hope and pray that Utah will be better to us. So, yes, get in the car. So, let's go. Yo, day 2, Utah, Bonneville Salt Flats.
And of course, I mean, it's not a big problem, but one of the fuses blew for the 12 volt that I power my Blue Eddy power station with. And I don't want that dying because it's powering the fridge and everything else. So, gotta fix the problems.
Yo, day 2, Utah, Bonneville Salt Flats. It is amazing. Getting ready to go fast. Here we are at the infamous Bonneville Salt Flats. Man, this place is absolutely amazing. It's like snow as far as you can see, but it's not. It's straight salt, and I'm sure it's not great for the old Jeep here, but we'll have to wash it off pretty quickly. It starts to harden, but no, it's definitely worth the fun, and I've been wanting to come here forever. This is the home of the land speed record. People come from all over the world for years and years to come race here, and it's such a great place, and I'm glad I got to come, and I'm glad you guys are here with me. So let's have some more fun.
The Bonneville Salt Flats are an absolute must for beginner overlanders. You can get your rig off-road without having to worry about all the crazy challenges, but take what I say with a grain of salt. Wink, wink. There are spots on the salt flats that get a little too wet and your vehicle can get stuck, so pay attention to the wet spots. Other than that, it was an amazing experience. I want to thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you stay tuned, there's a sneak peek on part 2. You do not want to miss this destination.
Look at all that salt coming off.
So the salt flats were great, but now it's time to do some real wheeling on these trails. So we're headed up to Silver Island Canyon. Just looking over the salt flats, it should probably make for some really great views. So let's do it.